Hello there. It's Andy Harris, Premier Property Group. I wanted to talk to you today about the RMLS numbers that came out for February yesterday. And that basically is going to talk a little bit about the inventory and pricing and days on the market and all that. But I wanted to first start up and talk to you about interest rates. So I'm going to share my screen here. As you can see from the Freddie Mac website, mortgage rates have hit an all-time low. Which is obviously a huge deal. So they hit 3.29% this week, the lowest in its nearly 50-year history. Here you can see the last year. Last year was at, in that blue number, 4.41%. Now obviously you're down to 3.29. The last video I did, I talked a little bit about how this can impact one's monthly payment. So if you are currently shopping, I think it would behoove you to talk to your lender about what you can afford nowadays. And if you're just starting to get going, this could have a huge impact on what you can afford and what you can buy. So obviously this is really good for buyers, but given the general sense of what's happening in the country, I think it's also really good that we have low interest rates to keep things flowing. So here's a little bit of the numbers from RMLS. I'm sorry, this is a little bit grainy. It comes out quite a bit smaller. But here's your inventory, 1.9 for February. You can see our numbers are quite a bit lower than they were last year, and we're on par exactly with 2018. So as people talk about the market slowing, well, we're kind of more on pace on an inventory level as to where the market was 2 years ago. So it seems still pretty strong. You can see here a little bit on new listings are up 13% compared to last year. Pending sales up 17. Sorry, new listings up 13%. Pending sales up 17.7. Closed sales up 9. So things are moving, and there's quite a bit more activity than there was last year. So it's pretty interesting. Average sales price is up 3.8%, and the median is at 1.8%. I like median. We can get to that on another video. And then market time has actually gone down. So really the state of the market from all the numbers seems quite strong. So obviously we'll have to see what happens with the coronavirus and how things play out. But with interest rates being low, inventory being low, still seems like the market's going strong here in Portland. So anyways, if you have any questions or thoughts or anything I could do for you, drop me a line. 503-504-2369. Thank you very much.